A classic Porsche is a dream come true for many people. Once the dream is fulfilled, it's often the case that you don't want to use your 911s every day. And we want to change that. If you don't know what Redrum is yet, in short, is an idea for a complete rebuilding of the classic Porsche 911, focusing on its interior. We create a line of products ranging from upholstered floor coverings, sport seats, and a hidden audio system to a built-from-scratch electronic AC panel and gauges. The solution is lightweight and tailored to today's needs, to make it easier to use the classic Porsche in everyday life. And now, you deserve some more words of explanation. The first idea was to keep the God's red body. However, we decided to strip paint to bare metal and paint it to olive green numbered 274 from the original palette. This color was used for the SC generation from 1978 to 1980. Is it a good choice? Of course, it will look super unique on the 964 chassis, and meanwhile it respects the rules. Original, not custom. Wheels can make the car look ugly or beautiful. There's a lot of good choices, but we decided to stick with Radiform VCE. They are beautiful and great for everyday usage. Regarding the suspension, Bilstein B6 with H&R springs is everything you need. Remember, we want you to love driving the car, not to keep it in the garage. Let's go to the interior. The floor cover perfectly harmonizes with the body shape. We designed it with the 964 and 993 generation in mind. After minor modifications, it also fits the G and F models. It's made of composite. You have several possibilities. We can use carbon fiber, Kevlar, or high-quality fiberglass. Then we cover it with leather, fabric, or paint it in the same color as your body. The central console is a place close to your hand and eye. Here you can view a map while traveling and charge your phone. We have studied the angle of inclination of the phone in the docking station for a long time. We have managed to find the optimum position to ensure that you can see the display and that the phone doesn't fall out during emergency braking. Neodymium magnets help. You can wireless charge your smartphone. Wondering, why do you need such a gadget? The phone is now used as a radio, map, newspaper, TV set, and only finally as a phone. Therefore, a car should become an extension of your smartphone and in a safe way make it easier for you to navigate, turn on your favorite music and make phone calls. Wireless Bluetooth communication will replace ugly and unnecessary meters of cables and traditional radio placed in the dashboard. Recently, we also thought of a place for a cup of coffee. Regarding seats, we have some choices. The Recaro Sports or GT3 RS seats would look great, but Recaro Podium is our choice. The dashboard is the element you'll see most often in its glory. It's a perfect place for a jewelry. We've rebuilt the gauges to look classic as they did in the first generation of the 911 in 1964. We also developed a new AC panel, user experience. We simplified its functions. It works with the car system and is plugged into a serial port. Knobs, faders, buttons. They look classic but work in a modern way, illuminating the function icon. We can also plug them into the serial sockets without having to cut and rewind the vehicle wiring harness. We have also developed several other solutions. We can rebuild your Porsche. We can find a Porsche for you and tailor it to your needs. You can also buy each part separately. Visit car-bone.pl and contact us.